Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechLets. In today's video, we are going to have an introduction to HTML. So let's get started. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990s. It forms the basic building blocks for web pages. For example, Google, Bing, Yahoo, you just name it. Most of the times people get stuck on this, and this is really important to know. HTML is not a programming language, but it's a markup language. It uses markup tags to describe web pages. There are multiple tags, and the ones which we are going to look at now are document tags. Document tags are the tags which you require for every HTML page you create. The HTML document has two distinct parts, a head and a body. The head of your HTML document is where you enter the title of the page. Now let me show you this in the notepad. So over here you have your notepad. Now the thing which you need to keep in mind and is really important is that while saving your document, you click on File, Save As, allow here whatever name you like, put it. But always remember that the ending of your file name should end with .htm or .html. Let me show it to you by an example. Let's say I name it as new dot htm or new dot html and then click on save. If you don't follow this, then your HTML file won't be opening as a web page on your browser. Next thing is about understanding tags. The first thing that you should notice about these HTML tags is that all tags include less than and greater than symbols on either sides of the tags command. This is important because this is how HTML recognizes tags. For example, this, and then maybe I can write, let's say, HTML, and then this. This is how my HTML will recognize this tag. Next, there are types of tags. So let's move back to our PPT. Now, let's see the types of tags. So the first type of tag is the container tag. Container tag includes both start and the end tag. For example, this symbol, title, the ending symbol, HTML, this symbol, slash, title with the ending symbol. This is an example of container tag because it has both starting and the ending tag. The next type of tag is empty tags. These have only start tags, the reason being that these tags don't act on blocks. Next is comment tags. These are for comment purposes. For example, for example, this symbol, exclamatory mark, comment, dash, dash, ending symbol. Now, let's go back to our notepad and now I'm going to tell you the structure of writing an HTML document. So, before we write the structure, we need to know the applications that we can use. We can use Notepad, Adobe Dreamweaver CC, Microsoft Visual Studio, or if you don't have Windows PC or laptop and you have Mac, if you're using Mac, you can use TextEdit. Now let's see the structure. So the first tag which we add is this symbol HTML and then this symbol. Enter. HTML doesn't bother whether you write the text in capitals or in small, but it's recommended to follow a same flow. Next, we will write this head and again this head, as I told, is the one of distinct parts of the document tags. This is where you write the title of the document. To write the title, you once again press the enter key. This symbol, title, this, then whatever name which you want to give. Let's say my first web page. Then this symbol slash title, this symbol. This is how you end it. Yes. Next, once you have closed this title, you write another command. This symbol, body, this ending symbol. Next, now under body, there come heading. So to write headings, you put this symbol H which is common, and while writing HTML, we have six kind of headings. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. So heading 1 is the largest heading. So over here you can write the main point of your HTML, and as you decrease in number, the title gets getting smaller, 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 and heading 6 is the smallest heading. So let us start writing our headings. Over here, heading, then you write the numbers which you want. So heading 1, close, write your heading, and this symbol slash h1 close. Next, if so, there is no mandatory that you want to follow the same structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can even put it in the middle, any order of your choice, or you can just write heading 1 and that's it. So I'll write this one more heading. Let's say heading 3. Then this slash h3 and this. This is done. Now, after you have done, you need to close your body. So, this slash body, this. Once you have closed the body, you need to close the HTML. This slash HTML. Isn't it easy? Now, we are going to save this. Go to File, Save As. Always remember that .html or .html have to be used at the end. And it's compulsory, or else it won't be shown in your browser as your browser page. So let's say my first .html and then save. Now let me show you how is it done. So over here, yes. So this is how it's looking. So your coding won't be visible, but the titles, the comment, the material which you have posted will be. So your web page will be visible to you on your default browser. It can be Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, anything. So this is it for today's video. Make sure to like this video and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. See you next time. Bye.